my name is Dom. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to extract the chair on a 2016 HRV. But first, we're going to get an all-purpose cleaner. Okay, let's go. Alright, as you can see here, I already did most of the chairs already. You can see the difference between this one and that one. That one I just treated, and this one we're going to treat it. As you can see, the dirt and grime and stain all up in there. We're going to take care of that. Let's do it. I'm going to lift this chair up so we can show you how. If my manager can please turn on the extractor. Thank you very much. Please hurry. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna pre-rinse it so I can get it wet enough for all the stains to come back up. And after that, I already diluted the APC 10:1, so just spray. And after that, I'll get my drill. Here we go. And now we can get started. Alright, here we go. Just a little minor. Do it step by step. Woo! Oh, my back. Alright. Picking up all that dirt and grime. Ooh. A little surprise, huh? Woohoo! There we go. I'm a tall guy doing a small car. Just bear with me. We're gonna get this done. Alright, now that the car is fully dry, let's go check our results. And there we have it. A brand new chair. So, please come to Stores Auto Garage where we can clean your car and it will be a guarantee. Thank you very much.